After this, you need to send a webhook again, everyone. Now you need to reply back onto the WhatsApp. Everyone agree? You need to reply back to the WhatsApp. Reply भी तो करना है. After when you are done, you have to reply back also. So you will not send a webhook. You will send a HTTP request. Everyone, you will send a HTTP request. A request again you will send to WhatsApp. This is request to WhatsApp. This is going to be a request to WhatsApp. What exactly you need in this case? I will share with you, everyone. This is the URL. First of all, this is a URL that in the HTTP request that you need to send for the response, right? You need this URL first of all, everyone. This URL. What is this URL, sir? This is your unique URL, everyone. This is your unique URL, which you will see it here. Everyone can see that API dot this one. So I will be replacing my URL. How many of you are with me? API dot this dot blah blah blah. Okay. And let me copy rest of the things from here to here. HTTP also you will copy it here. This is example, everyone. This is example. And this is real. I have changed my ID, which is this, and the edit field message. This one is the message. So what I will do, instead of this, we will be choosing post. First rule number 1. Rule number 2, URL, right? So this is, we have replaced this with chat ID. Whatever the chat ID we are coming here. Yes or no, everyone? You can see we have a chat ID. This chat ID we have replaced with chat ID. Okay. Good. So chat ID we have replaced. What we need to send data? Sir, what is the data that we need to send? Here is the interesting part, right? I will send the information which is specific headers. Now, the real question is, this should be the guys, if it is a open request, then anyone can send the data to my WhatsApp. If it is an open request, then anyone can send the data to my WhatsApp request. But this is not a open request. You need authentication. You need a token. For example, if you want to go to a metro, you use a token, everyone? Yes or no? You use a token, you use a key. So you need a key. Then only you will be able to answer this. So here we will mention in the authentication part, everyone, what we are going to do, this is what we are going to, here I will mention the token, everyone. First of all, let me see what we are going to enter. Generic authentication type. What I'm going to enter is, here I will select, this is a bearer auth token. You need to get a token. Sir, from where we need to get a token? From where you will get a token, everyone? In the access token, click on access token. This, click on generate. This is your token with the name. Click on select all of them. Okay. I will name this as 7 days. 7 days ke baad it will expire. Click on generate. It will generate a token for you. So meanwhile, I will set up, meanwhile it is generating. So token, we will add it here. Few more things you need to also do, everyone. Either you can add a token also, or you can add a header also, which is what header? You can send your key. So your X API key, whatever the token that you have. So token will generally look like this, everyone. This is how the token is, N0 blah 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 blah. Okay, so we will see if we are getting to generate new one. This is the previous one, by the way. That was a previous old token. We know that it is working. Okay, देखो token आ गया, right? It generated. And saving part is done. Now a few more things we need to change, everyone. So we need to complete this flow. Last thing we need to add is, after this, we will adding JSON. So what is the data that we want to send? In this case, we need to send a body. So what is the data that we want to send? So here is the data. We'll be setting, if you see executing the previous node, hello, rent for 1 BHK. Let me send you a message. Okay. I think now it will come here. Let me see. If it is waiting, it will come here also. So webhooks, all the webhooks are waiting. Let me see. Here you come, guys. Here is the message. You can see the message has came. Everyone. So this is the message, everyone. You got this. And by the way, the flow is running. Can you see that, everyone? Yes or no? Flow has run, and we are, hello, what is the rent? If you see, lead has also captured. Flow has started. Lead has been captured, but reply was not done. There is no reply from Pratap. Okay, Pratap has not replied me. So I think there is problem. What is the problem, everyone? Credentials issues. So we will fix it. Okay. So we'll fix it. What we need? First of all, we have no idea. So first of all, we need to tell him where we need to send the message ID. So the first point is message ID. What is the message ID? That in the webhook, you will see the message ID. This one. This is the message ID we want to send. And another parameter we need to send is what is the message? What is the text you want to send? So what is the text you want to send? We will get it from agent. Agent se nikal liya humne text. This is what we want to send. Whatever the agent is telling us, this is exactly what we want to test to this chat ID. Yes or no, everyone? This is where we want to send to this message ID. Exactly. That's what we have done. Click on save. Now, if I execute this flow, automatically, now see everyone, the magic will, you will see. Now, again, I will ask, what is the rent for the 2 BHK in, okay, click on enter, right? I have sent the message and you can see webhook started. Can you see that webhook started? Waiting for 5 seconds. AI agent has given, right? We have logged everything. Now we are making the request. Everyone, WhatsApp. He is sending me WhatsApp. Okay. So we are sending a request, which means he is responding to me. Actually, WhatsApp agent is responding to me. I think there is a problem, minor problem, which is request timeout. Please try again. I think there is some issue which basically occurred. No worries. Let me see. Let's execute step again. Let me try it again. Okay. There was some minor issue. Authorization failure. Invalid credentials. Let me check. What is the problem? Okay. Maybe some issues. Let me check if the token was correct. Token was correct. Yes. Token we have generated is proper. Let's see. This is the token that we have. API key. This is the API key that we have entered. 1 second. Let me see. Where is the API key? This is the API key. This is a token which we have given. Settings. Subscriptions. No. Access token. Okay. Client secret. No. Token only we need. Token we have added. Let me check. If there is space and everything, I'm checking everyone. Only the last step is remaining. Rest of the things are fine. So this is the API key that we have done it. Right. I'm pretty much sure this is the API key that we have copied. Okay. Yes. API key is fine, everyone. API key is fine. I'm just checking if we have not missed anything. So this is, oh, guys, we need to change this URL also. How many of you agree with me? This URL we need to use for Hana, yes or no? Right. Absolutely right. So this URL we need to change, everyone. This is according to Pratap, the URL is little different, right? So that's why it is important to make sure that URLs are correct. So for Pratap URL is 19 and 1419. So 19 and 1419. Now it will work. What do you think, guys? Now it will work. Click on save. Now it will work. What do you think? So if I send the message again, let me see what exactly it's saying. Achha, chat not found, because now chat is already finished. Let's do one thing. Let me restart the flow again, everyone. Okay. Again, I will ask. Pratap, I'm asking you, what is the rent for 3 BHK now? Okay, instead of 2 BHK, now I'm asking 3 BHK. So if you see, now webhook will start. Oh, it is not started. I have not started, by the way. Sorry. Again, oh, if you see, it has started. Can you see that? Started. It has started waiting, logging, and then in the end, it will send the information to this. Okay, I think there is a problem. We'll see. Okay, minor issues. How many of you are with me? Minor issues. Let's see what is the problem. He is saying that resource not found. Okay, what is the resource not found? Let's see. कोई तो problem आ रही है, guys. One problem is coming. What is it? अच्छा, we have sent in message ID. Message ID we don't need, guys. Do we need message ID or chat ID? Guys, do we need message ID or chat ID? अरे chat ID चाहिए हमें. Guys, chat ID is needed, not a message ID. Yes or no? How many of you are with me? Chat ID is needed here, right? Let me execute the step again. ठीक है, अब हो गया done. Everyone, so now it is ready. Let me execute the step again. I will again ask. So what is the 2 BHK rent? Again, I have sent the message. This is testing, everyone. This is testing. So you can see how many times we need to do testing, everyone. Multiple times. AI agent will basically add lead to the sheet, and then it will now respond back to message. Again, we are basically getting the error. What is the error? Resource not found. Message ID, this is not found. Okay. What is the problem? Let me check. I'm just checking if we have not hard coded anything. Guys, remove this hard codes, okay? Hard codes you need to remove in the end. Everyone with me? Give me one in the chat if you are with me. In the edit field, I have bookmarked this chat ID. That was the problem. So remove the pin comment. Make sure that you remove the pin comment. Now it will work. Okay. So that is how you debug also, everyone. What is the rent for 2 BHK again? Okay. Again, I have sent the message. Now it will run it again. Right? No chat ID is not hard coded this time. Okay. Chat ID is not hard coded this time. So fresh lead, fresh one, respond to one. Okay. Now again, we have a problem. Okay. What is the problem? Let's see. Acha, the number is incorrect, is it? Acha, number incorrect. Hai. Oh, number is incorrect. So again, add your second account, second number also. आप second time अब ये करने नहीं देगा तुम्हें. It will ask you for another number. Guys, this is working, by the way. This will work. It is just that because he has a different number. He has told me कि sir number different है. It will work. It will work. If you try it, it will work. It will send you the data. By the way, it will send you the data also with all the things. Acha, you have set it for other number also, is it? Let me check. Oh, you have set it for other number also. I have just sent him hello. So it is running. Acha, you have set it for other number also. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Yeah. Oh, done. So guys, here we go. It works. So here is the response, everyone. Can you see it? So it is now working. Okay, let me ask you, what is the rent for the 2 BHK? Okay. So execute flow, execute it, enter. You can see what is the rent for 2 BHK. I have asked. Okay, if you want to make this as a production, so everyone can see the message. Here is the message, everyone. आ गया. Okay. ये थोड़ा issue है इसमें, but आ गया. Okay. But what you can do is, if you want to make this as a production, what are the changes you will do? If you want this, that this should be run every time, you will, what you are going to do? You will copy the production URL, make this as active. You make this as active. Now, what will happen in this case? Activate. This, now we need to use production URL. We don't have to use second one. So production URL also I will add to webhook for the Pratap. Pratap, you are with me, right? 1 second. I will must have somewhere here. Okay. I have your password. Okay. I will just change to one more webhook. I will add, everyone. One more webhook I will add. Production also I will add, everyone. So here, this is production. Pratap, now your let me add it. Now everything is added. Now you are in production, everyone. So it will now execute automatically, guys, everyone. So now you will see something interesting. Everyone, just see this. Every time you chat with, now this is in production ready. You can see it will be keep on running. So what is the rent for 1 BHK? So it will be keep on running, everyone. So if I running right now, number is, you can see it is running. Can you see that? So a lot of people are trying right now. Number, everyone, Pratap, can I give number to other people also to try out? Shall I give? Yes. Now this has become a bot, which is keep on replying. Everyone, yes or no? Now this number is actually a bot, which 8910, which number we are using, right? This is the number. By the way, this is the number which is we are using 891054 and everything. Okay, this number which we are using, and it's a bot. It is running, and a lot of people are trying. By the way, देखो, यहाँ पे भी there is some different number, and all of you are getting captured. Okay, don't think this is what it is. All of you are getting captured. This is Testflix. Somebody from Testflix. Deepak has also. Pratap has also. All of you are getting captured also side by side here. It can execute multiple ones. It can execute multiple ones. Multiple queries it is doing, Pratap. If you see multiple queries, it can execute 5 at a time. You can increase also. If you want to, if you upgrade, it will increase to 10 or 20 also. Okay? With me? It can do multiple conversations also. Fair? If you can see now, one more thing, guys, I'm switching it off. Because Pratap number might get blocked because of this. Okay. Okay. So if you do too much automation with your number, your WhatsApp number will temporarily blocked for 1 hour. So okay, we will stop this, everyone. Okay. How many of you are with me? I will stop this now. Nothing will run. Nothing will run. We will move back to this. Webhook कहाँ चला गया इसका? Okay. I think we accidentally deleted it. 1 second. Where is that? And this is the trigger, by the way. Webhook trigger. I think accidentally I have deleted it. So this is the trigger. Everyone. कहाँ चला गया ये? Okay. Accidentally I have deleted the webhook trigger. Everyone. So this one. That's it. Okay. Post method. Nothing in this case. Again we will add. So whenever you add another one, just add the webhook again. It will work. So this is another. I have changed the URL so that you don't get spam messages. Okay. Fair, Pratap? Clear? So I have removed everything. So now you will not get messages. Very good. So this is the bot, everyone. This is the bot. I will share with you. You will find. So let me download. Okay. This bot will be available in your TeachYou Pro community in the classroom section. This is where it will be available.